Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to connect Lendingclub to Mint or Ynab. If you use budgeting tools like Mint or you need a budget that's Ynab, connecting your Lendingclub accounts can help to streamline your financial management. By synchronizing your accounts, all of your transactions, balances, and spending data flows automatically in the app, giving you a complete picture of your finances all in one place. To begin, log into Mint or Ynab and navigate to the Add Account or Link Account section. From there, search for Lendingclub in the list of supported financial institutions. Now, once selected, you're going to be prompted to securely enter your Lendingclub login credentials. Most app uses encrypted connections and services like Play to ensure that your data stays safe. After connecting your Lendingclub checking, savings, or loan accounts, they will start synchronizing. This allows Mint to provide automatic spending breakdowns, while Ynab helps you to budget every dollar based on your actual balance. Reviewing transactions regularly to make sure that they are categorized correctly, and of course adjust your budget as needed. These are good practices that you should definitely take up. This integration helps to simplify money management and keep your Lendingclub activities aligned with your overall financial goal. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.